In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a second YouTube channel with the same email. So here's what you need to do. You need to first make sure you're logged into YouTube and be logged into the email that you want to use to create a second channel. Then go to that channel icon in the top right hand corner and just go to your YouTube studio. Now once you're here, we need to go to settings once it loads. So go to settings, it should be at the bottom here in the bottom left. Then once you're at settings, you can go to channel and then go to advanced settings and then just scroll all the way down and go to manage YouTube account. And that will take you to youtube.com/account, which I guess you can just go to anyway. Once you're here, you can go to add or manage your channels and it will then open a new window where we can then see all of the channels currently on this email. So I've got 3 right now. What you can do is you can click create a new channel and you can then go ahead and create your channel. So you would add the channel name and that's basically it. That's all you need to do to create a new channel on that same email